Hey guys, Steve here. I just wanted to get on today and make a quick video on how to connect your Lead Lightning all-in-one commission spinning machine to a primary offer. As you know, Lead Lightning is a one-time $7 purchase, no monthly fees. It provides you with professionally written autoresponder campaigns to boost your sales, generate leads and enrollments to your primary business, which we're going to be showing you how to connect to Simple Freedom Club, which is a primary business, and it helps you create buyer leads daily. It's excellent for newbies. Like I said, it's a one-time $7 purchase, all for just $7. You own this platform for life, okay? Here's a little bit. You get a funnel, capture page, autoresponders, traffic training, e-wallet, and instant $6 commissions. You make $6 off of every $7 sale. Now I want to show you how, if you have a tight budget, we're going to bundle this offer with something else, right? Everybody loves bundles. You get bundles, Happy Meals at the fast food restaurants, and you get bundles for utilities and internet services and phone. So we're going to bundle something together to make it very enticing for a prospect and very possible for that prospect to make higher commissions. Everyone knows that, when you're starting off, you need to have some kind of commissions coming in immediately almost, so that you can feel good and build the momentum and actually stay in affiliate marketing long enough so you can really see results. So we're going to bundle this together with, we're going to take Lead Lightning and we're going to bundle it together with the Simple Freedom Club. Now, the Simple Freedom Club is an affiliate marketing school where you can learn to create your own money, your own cash flow, your own money, and it's also a community of like-minded individuals. You join for free. You just log in here. I'll show you. You register. You come to this page. You put your name, your email, and your username, and you just hit continue. You don't have to pay for anything. You just go in, register, and just to see what there is to offer. Okay, you'll start, and then immediately as soon as you get in, I recommend you join the Facebook group called Simple Freedom Mastermind, so you can see behind the scenes and see the community a little bit. And I believe it's open to all free members as well. You just have to be a member, because that's one of the questions they're going to ask you in order to allow you in the Facebook group. But once you log in, you'll see that you'll see the offer to join the club. Okay, you can also contact the mentor, the creator, the founder, and he'll call you back. But definitely you must be either a free member first, which means you already have to have created an account. Otherwise, I wouldn't call you back if you didn't do that. So join our affiliate marketing school. It's newbie proof. Here are a few things that you will learn. You will learn social media marketing, email marketing, offline marketing such as postcards, flyers, other various things. And it also has a merch where they sell merch, coffee cups, tumblers, t-shirts, hats, etc. You can click that, the page, the description, the link will be below in the box. Join today. It's only a one-time $25 membership fee and a $10 admin fee. One time. There are no monthly fees associated with the Simple Freedom Club. Okay, so we're going to bundle the $7 Lead Lightning bundle, all-in-one platform with the affiliate marketing school, right? So not only will you get an all-in-one platform, you'll get an education package for a one-time combined total of $42, right? That's still nothing. That's $42. But if you think about this, on the front end, you can make $6 off of every $7 sale. And then on this membership, you can make $25 off of every membership, right? So that's $31 you can make. You spend $42, you make $31. It's $11 difference. But after 2 sales, you make your money back, right? And some. And then you can repeatedly promote. As a new affiliate, you can continue to promote the Lead Lightning and the Simple Freedom Club as that package deal. Okay? There's a lot of other very, very unique things that go on here in this club, where you get this reverse one-up leverage type of deal, where you can make unlimited unlimited passive income and create cash flow for you. This is good. It's perfect for home businesses, and if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, I recommend it to school age college kids. I mean, why not get into affiliate marketing now and learn how to make money online? Learn how to make money without having to spend thousands of dollars, on various other things. So anyway, we're going to combine these two things together. So where I want to go now is I want to go to my Lead Lightning login. And you should have this information in the email after your purchase, right? So first thing you'll see is you'll see the quick start at the top. You'll see various menus. Here's your quick start, promotional tools, traffic generation online, traffic generation offline, your contact managers, okay, your email notification, we can get messages to you every time you get a lead. The training area, see, you get this training here all for $7, right? Okay, and you get a little how it works, but I'm going to walk you through it. So as soon as your prospect logs into their Lead Lightning back office, this is the first thing they see. They see your name here. It says congratulations, whoever you are, right? And they see your name and they see your primary recommended income stream. That right there is like top real estate for advertising, right? So when they click it, it'll take them to whatever your primary offer is. And my primary offer is my 100% commissions affiliate marketing school, right? So how do you get that there? And also do your autoresponders is you come down here and you click, how do I get started? Now, getting started in 3 simple steps. You can watch this video. It gives you a nice little introduction, okay? Step 1 is join the Facebook group. Absolutely a must. I would do it. You learn so much. I'll click it and we'll see behind the scenes of what's going on. This is the official Power Lead System Facebook group, and Chrome be tripping. Let's see. I don't know. Chrome is slow. Anyway, this is what it looks like behind the scenes as it populates. They do a lot of congratulations for members who join. People show their testimonials of the leads that they're getting. They ask questions. If, like this guy here, he's running traffic or something, doing a promotion. He's getting all kinds of signups. He's just showing what's happening. And this is a community. If you're getting into the affiliate marketing arena, you need support. And where else are you going to get support from unless there's people already doing it in the same thing? So I highly recommend you join the official Power Lead System Facebook group, and you get that link here from your back office. Okay, so now let's go on. We want to figure out what link we want to use. This is Funnel 1, Lead Lightning. So basically, this is going to promote Lead Lightning in this link or promote Lead Lightning in your primary business. Well, we want to do link B because we want to promote that bundle deal that I was talking about, that package deal, right? So what you'll do is you'll go to because you should have already registered for the Simple Freedom Club, right? So you should have already registered for this. So I'll assume you did. I'll assume you did. And so as you log into the back office here, what you'll do is you'll find this link. Okay. You'll take that link and you'll go back here and you'll paste it here. Now, you got to remember to remove this extra HTTPS, right? And you hit update. And that's it. It's updated. Okay, so now you come back down here and it shows you test your link, which we don't have to because we know where it's going already. You hit update, you just come up here where it says show me the link to use. Okay, you click that. Now it takes you to this screen. It says website visitors who opt in the link at the bottom will receive emails. They're going to receive emails from you sent by us. The odd number emails, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, all the odd number ones will promote your system here. The even numbered emails, 2, 4, 6, etc., will promote your main outside website. And what is that website? It's our Simple Freedom Club, which is 100% commissions, right? So in our email follow-up, they're going to get an email saying, hey, here's Lee Lightning, but also here's our number one recommended income stream. And they'll click the link in that email and it'll take them to the Simple Freedom Club. So that's how on the front end, your emails are going to promote both the Lead Lightning platform and the Simple Freedom Club. So again, you have a potential of making $31 per sale. Even if they only do one, that's $25. Still, you're making that much more money as a newbie. And that is very, it boosts something inside of you once you realize you can make money online, because like I've always heard, it takes the same effort to sell a $7 product and a $25 product. If you know how to sell a $7 product, you can promote and sell a $25 product. If you can promote and sell a $25 product, you can do a $250 product. If you can do a $250, you can do a $500. It takes the same effort, and it's all about the automation. Basically, I made up this acronym, right? It's called SAIL. S is for simple, A is for automation, L is for leverage, and E is for earning, right? Because that's what we're going to be doing. So SALE, simple, keep it simple, automatic, and leverage and earnings, right? Simple, automation, leverage, and earning. So that's just something, I made up, whatever. But anyway, let's get back to the point. So after you do that, here's the link that you would be promoting. Here is the link to use. Now, you would take this link and say, if you want to drive traffic to it, like I showed you in previous video, you would just go to Udemy. You would come through, find a seller, right? Let's see, let's just go through, find a seller, traffic seller. We'll go here, 40 cents a click, and that's kind of what they do. So you would just come here, and you can come all the way down to $23, right, for 50 visitors, or do 175 for 33, whatever it is. It's up to you. You just have to shop around, right? Shop around to see what's gonna fit your budget. But all you would do is you would take that link, you would come here, you would paste the link. Let's recap real quick. You take this link where it says my top funnel and your information. You would go to a traffic seller and you would just paste that link. On Udemy specifically, you would select link only. If you do ad text, you're gonna have to write an email, and we're not at that level, right? So you just go link only. That means the solo vendor, he's gonna provide his own email that he's gonna put your link in when he sends it out to your 50 visitors for $23. So you just make sure your link is here. Your total is correct, 50 visitors for $23, and you hit add to cart. You make the purchase, and then in a day maybe or less than, it says down here, it says closest available date that he can start sending traffic is March 8th. Okay, so you just do that and your traffic will begin to flow. I mean, it's it's the easy way to promote it, to get visitors to your site. So one thing to be aware of is you cannot take this link and start pasting it all over social media. Why? Because it'll be flagged. Okay, so instead you can post your link on a blog and then share that blog post to social media. You can buy a domain name and forward it, or you can just upgrade and still combine it with other things to get more money. But anyway, that's kind of the gist of it, of how to connect Lead Lightning to the Simple Freedom Club. It's really easy. This would be the link you would promote, and you would just get to it. You could build a whole, the more you promote it, the more leads you get into your opt-in page, the more emails go to your through your autoresponder to those leads. It's a never-ending circle of automation. And the only thing that you have to do is take action, sign up for the programs, and then start promoting the link, right? That's it. So your only job is to get leads. You just keep pouring leads into the top of the funnel. you know, like a little funnel you pour liquid into, right? You just pour leads into the top of the funnel, and whoever makes it to the bottom, cha-ching, cha-ching, right? So that's all I have here. Just to recap real quick, the system is called Lead Lightning. It's a one-time $7 purchase, and we combined it with Simple Freedom Club, which is a 100% commission platform, marketing school, and you join and register for free. That's all I have for now. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. I'm out.